Hi developers! In this video, we'll build a .NET WinForms project using the Dynamsoft Service REST API, helping you extend the life of applications built with the retiring .NET TWAIN SDK. First, install the Dynamsoft service to enable API calls. Once installed, let's check the setup page to confirm that the service is running. Next, open Visual Studio and create a new WinForms project. Before calling the API, we need to add the NuGet package. I've already imported it here, so I'll walk through the existing code to explain each function. We'll set up a simple scan layout that includes a button to retrieve available scanners, a drop-down list for device selection, another button to start scanning, and a panel to display the scanned images. Let's implement the functionality for both buttons. Dynamsoft Service provides 4 REST APIs. For this example, we'll use 2. Get Devices is to retrieve a list of scanners using the get method and scanners endpoint. Scan Document is to create a scan flow using the post method and scan jobs endpoint. Once these functions are set up, we can run the project to see the WinForms Scanner app in action. Click Get Devices to select a scanner from the list, then click Scan to capture the document. Everything works smoothly. Since Dynamic .NET TWAIN is being retired, we recommend transitioning to the Dynamsoft Service REST API for greater flexibility.